So, Social Cam, I just pulled up in front of my house listening to the raw cuts from tonight's studio session. When I tell you God has blessed me with some of the greatest singers this side of heaven, let me tell you something. Fresh, I love y'all. Like, y'all have kept me, y'all have made this weekend for me. Every, from engagement last night, y'all just kept me in stitches like y'all have, because I've been having a rough last couple of weeks, and I just love y'all. I just want to thank y'all so much for singing the hook, the duke out of this music, and y'all holler all weekend long. Services all day long, and y'all still came, and I love y'all so much. I just want to thank y'all. Y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to hear this music. God is about to get some more crazy glory. It's Kingdom Music time, y'all, and I'm so excited about it. All right, y'all. Keep holding on. Peace.